what is the procedure? Him for the mom call out, and the video I be a fan wa join here. This is what you are watching. This happened just 3 days ago. I was a Kumasi Sports Stadium at Chiwa. Mr. Bukari, I'm watching more about the Akoma FM. We'll be out here there.
Major so Kumasi media fear the problem there ni homichia atie for so.
Till for that was saying. And I pay a very, very interesting moment. Ghana for ne yemeti for yehwedri and kakra. Now this is a video coming out from just 3 days ago. Supposedly inmates purported to be coming from Kumasi prisons. Amudu Ombeya Juma behind the Babayara Sports Stadium. Now wamukura substance suspected to be Indian hemp. Na womo train ibinuma bubobi ati so modi asho moto. Have you in any way by chance when this video ebia here?
Minya video no, and I must confess one outfit and I draw attention to it, but my petty categorically and frankly say if indeed footage is now claiming no cry, it is very unfortunate and we will fault officer no or the inmates no APA one share anya na ejuma year or more ekoye sa nyamra asem no no cry embra emma ho kwan se enadiani se owo nadiafie ana se wapie onko nomonu boni ana nko ye nyoma boni dia obroni beka se ebe jeopardize public safety na woshe yeka se prisons ye part of the criminal justice system the public safety enterprise no ye di akotene pa ewomo nti the media foreign officers ebeye na obroni beka say eye indictment emma prison service as him say yanye yejuma ye no hajin and if indeed no na American no me footages no but no credit on behalf of regional commander Miami DGP Samuel Yautano, the Ashanti Regional Prisons Management, may apologize unreservedly. Ye ni kwan say ye beye ye no. However, they made the best also and say ye be request footages no from war. I know say some officers edin bebamu and now mumfoni bebamu ene dia for no. In the Dianine officer bia or ye involved in sa issue no ye manon kopa say a chinason and our muninanim say we na diania now your officer or munima sotia eba with these things ebi service regulations I the burial ebi su ye be criminal charge because sabi say we na in the dia for no ekutampa etiaga na mra nyina nti enyade a yebefo so ama enyade a prison service na afo so ama na ye ama officer no ne media fo na ye de omaye no nti yebehwehwem na asotwe bia ewo ha esese ye de ma officer no ene media fo no ye de be ma omo na prison service yemfoa nyoma bone so ye ya say ye behwese media for no assistant afio mo boni mu no manya agin sakra na o officer o kofo aso ama omaye o ma san di boni dia se na chese taxpayer tika ye de etua o kanona eso nimfa so bia ntia mfo aso mesre Ashanti man ene Ghana man nyina se omunya abotwe ma ye na ye investigate Okay.
Bukari, as we speak, the video wanna share on Facebook. We are going to send you the raw footage. Our WhatsApp, so and even other assistance. But so we've had several calls afra. man for said they are not surprised because as a meme who cry or one say I am surprised say some of these things is going on. In this video I'm watching a gentleman. In fact, video now you see the inmates. About 5 of the inmates are just so many at the hot claim. I read a dear say we ball mano. And I will be a country or they send it to or the rubber afa. And one of the show mutum if our bubble first one, second one, third one, I just what the run to Maria. But bear 3 of them will be adding the ashan to one more air mass home. And in fact, we've had a taxi driver was one never far or more crave from yard or our more call or more baby. Take us through the procedure. How do you release? Who qualifies to go out? So Juma. Now why na qualifies to be the Now what are the guidelines?
Thank you. Qualification no. First and foremost, so ye in the near wo ensheda enye hunsa. Ena wo enye huno ejina soboa ya debo wa whatever presence ha sabi oye arm robber in your entire prison life no wumpie omo a sabi yebeka say omo get to themselves in petty crimes. They say bunch akron for body akron for nkoko ne sa mobile phone assault careless driving omo ho by yan criteria no ensheda enye hu sa aside the omo akoye ena uyi eno eto nchen a omo ye nkrophobia sebe enche bia na omo afiha and that's the psychology ema yede omo pie because mediani bia nim sese nimfie no eso a mo de no pia or the temptation say obejane but say emfa so 3 months 2 months na mo de no pia the temptation say obejane no is not there and an crime no so nye onye obi asabe onya tua na okuta tua obetimi cause mayhem the oboni beka say the less dangerous or less risky inmates no and etie and the psychology me say omunim say Ujania court assigned the infienu be ebeka ho na aka 3 months and 2 months now be tie there ja no ani say obenya wa botre na watwa assign say obe make attempts at running away almost be to maybe 7 years and 8 years abeka na ketwa na aka say obecha no ho. Yes, in the wisdom of the prison service and the court and the general criminal justice system not and in the media the opinion not just no ho and that enye hunsa and officers are a bit almost so the criteria is that the officer should have been experienced by number of years while your service no more any mfredodo or the inmates ako aba asumdwemu but what the public must appreciate and say and therefore no they are as human as we are and nipa again there it means time there but what I expected from the officer and say obey yes strict supervision about despite strict supervisions no some petty lapses here this no ever sabi by human rights in the ni kwa konia sabi officer woni ho kwan say obekwa ko gina ehwe no say on okay and omo some amount of privacy omo nti wo officer no ma distance no too long, which I suspect said that was what the officer did. When that supervision over more yes, I don't know. Then it is unfortunate, but officer no, I didn't need you should have been experienced to a certain level. Yeah, what the assurance will be the more in safety for both war officer and the general public without say mobile or more akoye.
Okay. I do appreciate the education, but from the narration, any taxi driver crowd was so on a far. If in fact he called into the interview, the Akoma yedi. Also, no drive call baby somewhere asafo area, and call a kiosk be more toss any meya on the obesi stadium, but he didn't go with them as to what they went there to buy. What
exactly.
is it?
And that is criminal on the part of the officer.
Mm.
I see there if indeed, and I trust your narration. I mean I'm very confident in your narration. Say it is true. They are all canon. It is true. We often don't have these complaints, but for me, I am not surprised. I am not surprised at all because as much as the officer is a human being and the inmates are human beings, no, it can happen. But subo bi ewo ha officer no na the bebon ono na behave professionally and even say my director say for inmates simple cost stadium na what me afọ mo afa asafo ne eye criminal eye friend of diversion of gang a criminal offense or the by regulations more.
I see.
Yes, I'll plead sir.
Okay.
My footage is no, and we'll take the officer on. Wait, it's not an issue of denial. It's an issue of irresponsible escorting on the side of the officer, and we have to take him on.
3 days ago, 3 days ago, we told Sam Mobile Jumawa Stadium. And their facility in our stadium, I am Mobile Jumawa.
Oh, what one said, prison service, a state institution.
Okay.
And a stadium, a state institution. There was a collaboration with all state institutions, especially with regards to cleanliness, keeping the places tidy and doing some menial work for all state institutions. And that is where I feel that our impact has so much been felt by the nation and especially in Ashanti region. But for the ICE, it has been a very good collaboration. Yakoba, Yena RCC, Yena Efra Stadium Hall, Yena Efra Manshia, ACS Hall, like Yawabadi the Braving Cocoa Board, Yanomo collaboration. Every state institution, officer, we hear labor. What the public doesn't know is that in the media or there's in hard labor attached to the sentence. And in that regard, now say you use so ebwa or minor ejumabia SSA or minor science. So indeed, sabi the okonsio or nona ebwa hinano as much as ebwa or minor so there. And say your home to me touchima. I have by a one touchima, say your jitum na put the necessary measures in place. I better ensure say it doesn't really occur. But I see no yet regional commander and now na mapa or mamunu natural, especially I can't say na officer no subo. The maybe that's also and say one who say na image no time mun your friend of pumping or the nuboni no shena say sabi or the shenu tumuna abaha. That is one of the problems I work time ya say na omo ya omo prison and so omunya we omo we no omunya say human rights the Nelson Mandela rules no the United Nations minimum standards for the treatment of prisoners no and man who can say in the Diani Beba the Dugate now officer with the glove share on sa e dia wura na say akese again e sheho ikiminya sa kwanya we anam e appeal na me be to o my munu nyina nim o mo hwe na ye gate ho o mo ma ye scanner scanner ugina ho se me de menfa mensan share wa simple meaning there wo mu in most cases near my bonnie no eba inside no sana a fast program no they are sharing and ransom map and officer or the one share in the near say ayi bibia or if you want the high suspicion say boy ya oko info wa pompi bibi na so mra ma ho kwan sɛ ɔde wɔn nsa bɛhyɛ hɔ ayi nti mɛsrɛ my money na I mean security is expensive. How we should invest in the prisons yɛbɛ acquire body scanners ne those gadgets no ebe ma wɔn straight away without even touching the person no wouldn't say the body be no so.
Okay.
Yes, as much as you take responsibility for what has happened, no, we also appeal say government and other well-meaning Ghanaians no should take steps and efforts to help us acquire those scanners, no, petty gadgets, no, ever help security, no. For security is expensive.
Okay. Minia Bukari, we are more than grateful, but you better than Yambrena Wabe Studio. Then we continue the education and pick up more questions from your team because and expose in some out for the Amayan. You will be we are a bit of surprise. And will arrange. Now it's not the first time because you are always proactive and available for us.
I am just so grateful for public service now.
We will do that. We will do that. But as we do, as we talk, we will. The video is already in your custody until we access your phone. You have all the video. Any other assistance so we hear no Akoma and Ghana Akoma team are available to provide on that.
I am grateful. I am grateful.
Thank you very much. But me did say that
I make a correction being so what address me DSP say me DSP your Malcolm.
Oh, okay.
Me yes pretending.
Hey, wonderful. That's great.
Yes, let me break it to you.
Congratulations.
Where you my partner more guidance and kakra.
Sure.
I appreciate you,
Wonderful. Wonderful.
And I'm grateful.
Congratulations. Congratulations.
Thank you, my brother.
Thank you.
my brother.
And a Subtenant Bukari or a PR at the Kumasi prisons. That is the video I will show you. And the Subtenant area interview. Before Crasso baby on the phone, so you can watch it live on our Facebook page. This video and I'll pay on AM Patemu and Yebreki here. And this is exclusive to Akoma 87.9 FM. I can tell you, Obolo,
Kofi, me who dream but me who